Hi, good day. Here is how to achieve mirror shine effect on shoe. For those that have been looking for a way to get this mirror gloss effect on your shoe and cannot afford to get the Sapphire mirror gloss polish, which costs about around I think 70,000 naira or 80,000 or thereabout, you can achieve a similar result using Kiwi polish. Kiwi polish is going to give you a perfect job too, but not as good as Sapphire polish, of course. But you can achieve it if you do it very well and you take your time to calmly do it. For this tutorial, I'll be using cotton material, a foam, water, and our Kiwi polish. So first of all, I'm going to rub the polish all around the shoe before giving it a shine. Then again, you can only have a mirror gloss effect on the hard part of the shoe, which is where we have the front sleeve and the back sleeve. You can't have it on the other part of the shoe because it's going to crack when you wear the shoe. Especially when you have it at the vamp area, it's going to crack. I'm just burnishing it up now with the foam just to give it a perfect shine. After that, I'm going to start layering the polish, the Kiwi polish on the toe area. I will go over and over and over again just to get my desired result. It requires a lot of patience. You cannot rush it. You need to take it one after the other. You have to be patient for you to be able to achieve the results. You go in little by little, you layer the polish one after the other. So just use the cotton material and wrap it the way you see me doing the video. Then you touch the polish, apply it on the shoe, you touch water a bit, apply it and rub it and give it a perfect rub. Make sure you burnish it very well. That's what you're going to do. Again, you're trying to sink in the polish into the leather. So you're going to go over and over again. You don't have to rush it. You can't even rush the process, otherwise you're not going to get the perfect result. The shine is already coming out already, but I kept on going over and over again just to get a perfect mirror gloss effect on it. It's going to take time for you to achieve the perfect result, but it's worth it. But at the end of the day, you're going to like the finished look of it. Just like I said earlier, the Sapphire polish is a bit it works better and perfect for mirror gloss effect, but we're just trying to improvise and make use of what we have available and the cheaper option of. As you can see, we're getting the shine effect already, but I'm still not satisfied. I'll still go over and over again just to get all those edges well and go over the area that I need to still burnish. So I'm just going to go over it and make sure I get a perfect shine. Already have a perfect result. You can still go over and over again. You can't overdo it. You can keep on doing it. The more you go, the more shine you're going to have. So you can see we have a perfect shoe, perfect mirror gloss effect in our shoe using our regular Kiwi polish. For those that cannot afford the Sapphire mirror gloss polish. So thanks for watching. Can you give me a follow, like the video, and share with a friend? Thank you.